Hello, I am going to debate about the gun control in the United States. Firstly, 33 people die each year, so we have to be concerned about. And the misuse of weapons and the lack of control to whom these weapons are delivered, which should only be used for protection and justice in the United States. Secondly, it's a problem that concerns all citizens and a problem that concerns also the government, mainly the government, must consider, since we are talking about affect lives and families. Taking into account the Second Amendment, establishing the National Constitution for the Protection of Citizens, and on December 15, 1791, where the right of protection for preservation is established of life. That is all very interesting. Moreover, causes a controversy, Senate causing the opposite, due to the lack of control and legislation that requires a criminal record study. In my personal opinion, an advanced psychological study should be required, not only of the present, but should be required the clinical history as well of the individual who wishes to bear arms, since we are talking about saving lives. Here's the main point I want to raise. We saw a lot of cases where massacres happen in different public places. We don't know exactly what is happening with the American society. But what is for sure, as far as I am concerned, is the government responsibility to protect the citizen's life by enforce the regulations of guns control in the U.S. So I agree with Hillary Clinton when she said she's okay with have guns, some people can have it, and because it's in the Constitution, an American Constitution. But there should be more regulations to have the gun control, because you cannot give to every person a gun and you don't know how the person is emotionally, psychologically. You don't know the background. So it's things that we have to be concerned, because we're talking about lives. Okay, it's all. Thank you.